My name is Kenya, and if you're watching me for the first time, do consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on those bell notifications so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. So let's talk about today's video. आज की वीडियो के बारे में बात करते हैं guys. टाइटल से आप लोगों को पता चल गया होगा कि वीडियो क्या है. Since a very long time मैं सोच रही थी कि I'm going to do a kind of video like this, but then every time I was dumping my idea. But then I thought let's sit and do this video because I really wanted to do this video. Bags. Let's talk about bags, guys. Bag एक ऐसा accessory है, fashion accessory है, which changes your complete outfit. अगर आपने बहुत ही casual outfit डाला है, but if you're carrying a really chic bag with it, it will really amp up your complete look. And yes, I personally carry मुझे bags carry करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Sometimes I just carry for style. भले ही उसमें कुछ नहीं होता है, but sometimes I just carry like that. Bags, it add a little element in your, if you have a very casual look for the day, but if you wear a bag along with it, it adds that little element which gives you so much of style. So I thought I'm going to share few of my favorite bags, and these bags are super trendy, guys. जो भी bags I'm going to share अभी बहुत फैशन में है, काफ़ी ट्रेंडी है. सो yes, मैं लिंक्स भी इनके शेयर कर लूँगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, so you can go and you can shop few of them for yourself. So let's talk about the first bag. छोटू बैग से स्टार्ट करते हैं. This is the bag I'm talking about. This is a chain bag. दो chains हैं इसमें like this, and it looks wow, it looks amazing, guys, when you wear this bag. Though honestly if I say इसमें space बिल्कुल नहीं है, बहुत कम है. You can just add, what is this? You can just add like a lipstick or a lip balm kind of thing, or a small teeny size of sanitizer, something like that. Not very spacious, but if you are someone who just like to add a little element or a fashion thing in your outfit, so yes, a must have. My next favorite and the most trendiest bag I would like to talk about is this bag. You must have seen me styling this bag couple of times on my Instagram videos, and I just love this bag, guys.
If you're in mood not to dress, and if you carry this bag, trust me, this is going to uplift your complete look, your mood, everything. This is one of the bags I can never go wrong with, whether I'm wearing such a simple outfit or I'm wearing a very hype outfit, but this is the bag which is going to be on the top always, guys.
So the next bag I'm going to talk about is this bag. This is a bagging bag, like a shoulder bag. I got this from Instagram store. One thing I did not like about this bag is, like, I like it. The only one tiny thing I did not like, the picture में the way it was appearing, it was a little different. Like, it was not एकदम different. Picture में ये काफ़ी बड़ा लग रहा था, like a good big shoulder bag, not very big, but अच्छा size का. But in person, if you see, it is a very small.
This one is a baguette bag, and again this is a very popular and very trendy bag running in the style market these days, and I have styled it again with two different outfits to show you how it exactly looks like. One more thing, as I just mentioned, that how it appears on the website and in person it appears a little very small, so that is one of the things which I did not like. But overall the bag is good and the space is good, so you can carry it with multiple outfits, and it is going to look so good on all your outfits, guys.
So the next bag I'm going to talk about is this bag. This bag has my heart, guys. Alright, no more drama, guys. So this is a portly kind of bag. So So these are the tassels, which is so stylish. Alright, and you just pull this strand and it goes like this. It is a long sling bag. You can again आप short कर सकते हो उसका जो straps है, the way you want to use this. I love this bag. Multiple reasons हैं. First, this is my first ever chumbak ka bag. I always wanted a chumbak bag, but this is the first bag, and this is gifted to me from my very dear sister. And I just love it. Is so eye-catchy, so stunning. This is like a versatile bag, I would say. आप इस bag को you can also you can pair it with ethnic, you can pair it with your western outfits. So I really like bags जो आपके Indian outfits के साथ में भी जाते हैं, and you can also pair your bags with western outfits, so you can use the bag in both the for both the outfits. So I really like it, and the color, it is a suede material here, and yeah, I just like this baby. This is a very precious bag for me, guys.
This Potli bag I have styled with 2 different outfits, and I've also shown what exactly the space in the bag looks like. This is really a very versatile piece of bag you should have in your wardrobe, and yes, you can style it in multiple ways, with ethnic, with your casual, western outfits, and it will look on the point.
The next bag and the last bag, I would say, because I just wanted to show my top 5. इसमें मैंने 3 bags एक साथ डाल दिए हैं.
These are the 3 bags I've styled for you. The first one is from Janpad, the second one is from Delhi Hut, and the third one is from H&M. These bags are very trendy and very popular. Also, these are drawstring bags or straw shopper bags, and it is such amazing bags. One must have one of these bags in their style wardrobe.
So that's it, guys. These were all my favorite and the most trendiest bag I wanted to share with you all. I hope you all enjoyed this, and I'm going to see you super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. And as I always say, guys, before I leave you guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified.